Focus muna sa pagiging young officer or uh, junior officer in the Philippine Army as a platoon leader, leading his men sa field. Gusto ko mag-focus muna doon and eventually ma-develop yung sarili ko sa na uh, mag-serve pa hanggang sa syempre hanggang sa makakaya, and I'm wishing na sana makapag-serve ako hanggang sa pinakamataas na posisyon, which is yung being the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
And ano ba yung mga specializations mo nung nagtitraining ka ba?
So, in the academy, we undergone Scout Ranger orientation course in Bulacan. So, doon sa orientation course na yan, mas na-develop pa yung kagustuhan ko na mag-serve under the Philippine Army to lead people. And ayun nga yung mismo ako yung kasama ng tropa maglalakad dun sa field.
And last na lang, on my end, after the graduation, I'm sure nakausap mo na yung family mo. Ano yung naging communication mo with your parents?
First, nakausap ko sila through chats and messages only, but since yung pumunta sila ng graduation ko, doon na din nakausap, doon ko na rin sila na nakasama muli pagtapos ng matagal na panahon sa academy.
Okay, thank you very much. Follow-up question.